Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again, and today's video we are going to open another package. And this is white noise night light. So we are going to have a product review of this item. I'm sure this is the guide. Get it's like a USB cable for charging, and there's adapter in it, and of course our product. What are this button and the function? So I just shut the blinds behind so we can see the brightness of our light. Now I will demonstrate the functions of our white noise night light. On the top button, this is our natural noise sound with 8 different sounds and 4 lullabies. I will try to tap it. The bird singing, so 1. The cricket, 2. Frog, 3. Thunderstorm, 4. Ocean waves, 5. Bonfire, 6. Water stream, 7. And that's the seagull, so 8. And the 4 lullabies, okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our white noise button with 7 different sounds. This button is the fun noise sound with 7 different sounds as well. Total 26 different sounds. And these are the volume with 32 levels. Okay. These are our timer indicator. You can see it. We'll try to click that. You can set the timer 30 to 120 minutes. Okay, just show you how it works. So I will turn it on. Tap twice. 1, 2, and press longer to dim our lights. Okay. We can make it more brighter as well. If we want to change the color or into gradient color, click M button. Okay. If we want to change it into night light, just tap it once. To operate the timing function and the MK to switch the light mode function, hold your white noise machine to avoid touching the front button switch. While gradient color changes, select your desired color by tapping on the top. I hope this video will help you operate your white noise night light. Hit the bell button below and click subscribe so you are notified for our next video.